Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, JEE model questions in integration I am going to discuss. See that integral cosecant square x minus 2020 divided by cos x power 2020 dx. How to do these type of problems? First, what we have to do, the given integral split into two terms which equal to integral cosecant square x into 1 by cos x whole power 2020. That means we can write it as cos x power minus 2020 into dx minus 2020 is constant, you can take outside, and the rest of the integral term 1 by cos x whole power 2020 into dx. How to integrate the first term in this question, in this step? Here cos x power is minus 2020. Whenever it is looking like minus, the term we can treat as inverse trigonometry function. Here this is inverse trigonometry function, this is trigonometry function. By using integration by parts, by using Euler formula, integration inverse trigonometry will be first function and trigonometry will be next function, second function. So this is f of x, this is g of x. By using integration by parts formula, it will be f of x, that means cos x whole power minus 2020 into integral g of x, integral cosecant square x minus cot x minus integral f dash of x, f of x whole power n. It is in the form of f of x whole power n. F of x whole power n derivative is n into f of x whole power n minus 1. Again f of x will be differentiate. That means minus 2020 whole power into cos x whole power minus 2020 minus 1. That means minus 2021 into, again cos x function you have to differentiate, minus sin x into f dash of x is over into integral g of x. Integral g of x is minus cot x into dx minus the second term in that question, in that step, second term 2020 integral 1 by cos x whole power 2020 into dx, which is equal to minus cot x divided by x power minus 2020 means 1 by x power 2020. That means cos x power 2020. Here minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, ultimately plus will come. 2020 constant you can take outside. Integral cos x power minus 2021, here sin x into cot x can be written as cos x by sin x into dx minus 2020 integral 1 by cos x whole power 2020. Here sin x get cancelled, bases are equal, power should be added, minus cot x divided by cos x power 2020 plus 2020 integral, bases are equal, power should be added, minus 2021 plus 1, it will become minus 2020, x power minus 2020 means 1 by x power. Here in place of x, cos x is there. So 1 by cos x whole power 2020 into dx minus 2020 integral 1 by cos x whole power 2020 into dx. After integration plus c we have to write. Observe that here plus 2020 integral 1 by cos x over 4 2020 dx minus 2020 integral 1 by cos x over 4 2020 dx, both will be cancelled. So the rest of the terms, the given integral answer is minus cot x divided by cos x whole power 2020 plus c. Hi students, a curve y equal to g of x equal to integral x power 27 into 1 plus x square whole power 6 into 6x square plus 5x plus 4 into dx passing through the origin, then which of the following is true among the four options? This is also JEE type model. JEE model questions. See, first of all, the question, the given curve is y equal to g of x. G of x in terms of integration is given. We have to calculate by integrating the function some answer for the curve. So first let us assume that y equal to g of x, which is equal to integral x power 27 into 1 plus x square whole power 6 into 6x square plus 5x plus 4 into dx. How to integrate? Here, suppose if you want to multiply x power 27 into this one, you can do it. But what about the expansion of 1 plus x square whole power 6? It is difficult to expand. So, that what you have to do? Here, this expansion power is 6. X power 27 also in powers of 6 we have to write, which is equal to integral x power 27 can be written as x power 3 into x power 24. This 24 can be written as x power 4 whole power 6 base a power m whole power n, a power mn. So ultimately x power 27 we can express as the product of x power 3 in and x power 4 whole power 6 into 1 plus x square whole power 6 into 6x square plus 5x plus 4 into dx. Now what you have to do, this term power and this term power 6, so make these two will be one term, which is equal to, by merging these two terms, x power 3 into a power m into b power n means ab whole power m, x power 4 into 1 plus x square whole power 6 into 6x square plus 5x plus 4 into dx, which is equal to integral. First you have to multiply this bracket value with this term, x power 4 into 1 plus x power 4 into x power 5 plus x power 4 into x square x power 6 whole power 6. After that, the rest of these two terms, each and every term multiplying this value by x power 3. So 6x square into x cube, 6x power 5 plus 5x into x cube, 5x power 4, x cube into 4 plus 4x cube into dx. Now, if you assume this value equal to t, put x power 4 plus x power 5 plus x power 6 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. X power 4 derivative is 4x cube plus x power 5 derivative is 5x power 4 plus x power 6 derivative is 6x power 5 into dx, which is equal to dt. Observe that clearly here 4x cube plus 5x power 4 plus 6x cube into dx. In place of this, we have to replace with dt. This value will become as dt. Therefore, this is completely y equal to g of x is equal to integral. This value is t power 6. This value will become as dt, which is equal to t power 7 divided by 7 plus c. Now, y equal to g of x equal to t power 7. T power 7 means what t we assume here? This is the assumption. X power 4 plus x power 5 plus x power 6 whole power 7 divided by 7 plus c. This is the value of the curve y is equal to g of x. This curve is passing through the origin. To get the value of c, this equation 1 is passing through origin. Wherever y and x is there, replacing with 0 comma 0. So this value will become 0. G of 0. That means indirectly g of 0 value is 0. So wherever x is there, you have to put 0 with 0 power anything is 0 plus c. That implies that c is equal to 0. What is the need to calculate c is equal to 0? To find out the values of either g of 1 or g of minus 1. They are asking to calculate which one of the following is true. So now I am calculating g of 1 and g of minus 1. Why? Because in first two options, g of 1 and g of minus 1 is there. Among these values, which option is going to correct answer? We will find out. G of 1, wherever x is there, you have to replace with 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 power 7 divided by 7. C value we got it as 0, so no need to substitute. G of 1 value is 3 power 7, 7. And one more value also you can check out. G of minus 1, wherever x is there, you have to replace with minus 1. So minus 1 whole power 4 is plus 1. Minus 1 whole power 5 is minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Minus 1 whole power 6 is plus 1. 1 power 7 is 1. 1 by 7. C value anyway 0. So g of 1 is 3 power 7 by 7. And g of minus 1 is equal to 1 by 7. Among these four options, first option is correct option. So, first option is the right option. Hi students, welcome to my channel. Next question. Integral 3 sin x into cos square x minus sin cube x into dx. By seeing it is some complex form, but it is very easy. We have to apply some trigonometry formula. In place of cos square x, you write 1 minus sin square x. It will be reduced to very simplest form. See here, keep bracket 3 sin x into 1 minus sin square x minus sin cube x into dx, which is equal to integral 3 sin x into 1, 3 sin x minus 3 sin x into sin square x, 3 sin cube x minus sin cube x, total minus 3 sin cube x minus sin cube x, total minus 4 sin cube x into dx. We know that 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x is the formula for sin 3x. Therefore, integral sin 3x into dx. We know that integral sin ax is minus cos ax by a. So here a is equal to 3 minus cos 3x divided by 3 plus c. Come to the next question. Integral sin 2x plus sin 5x minus sin 3x divided by cos x plus 1 minus 2 sin square 2x into dx. 1 minus sin square 2 sin square 2x. We have formula in trigonometry 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. So 1 minus 2 sin square 2x is cos 4x, which is equal to integral sin 2x plus sin 5x minus sin 3x whole divided by cos x plus 1 minus 2 sin square 2x is cos 4x into dx. In the denominator cos x plus cos 4x we have. So in the numerator, is there any chance to get cos x plus cos 4x in the numerator? First thing, sin 2x can be expressed as 2 sin x into cos x. So cos x is there here possibility. How to get here cos 4x? By using transformation formula. First, sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x into cos x. Plus, after that for these, we have to apply sin c minus sin d formula. Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2. Sin c minus d by 2. So, where c is equal to 5x, d is equal to 3x. 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2. That means 8x by 2 cos 4x into sin c minus d by 2. 5x minus 3x by 2 means 2x by 2 is x divided by cos x plus cos 4x into dx. If we take common from numerator 2 sin x in plus 2 sin x. So from the numerator we are taking common 2 sin x. The rest of the term is going to get cos x plus cos 4x. This term is in the numerator also. Cos x plus cos 4x into dx. So cos x plus cos 4x will be cancelled. 2 constant we can take outside. Integral sin x into dx. Integral sin x is minus cos x by 1. Here x by a value is 1. So we write minus cos x plus. Hi dear students, welcome to my channel. See that this question in this video I am going to discuss. The problem is related with trigonometry and integration. These type of questions are there, chances to ask in JEE. See that question. Integral sin x plus 4 sin 3x plus 6 sin 5x plus 3 sin 7x divided by sin 2x plus 3 sin 4x plus 3 sin 6x into dx. So first of all, how to do this? Observe the denominator sin 2x, 3 sin 4x plus 3 sin 6x. Sin 2x, sin 4x and sin 6x all are multiples of 2. And observe that sin 4x and sin 6x are having multiple coefficient is 3. 3 multiples. So first in the numerator, in every term make sin 3x, sin 5x, sin 7x their coefficients as 3. Why? Because here their coefficients as 3, no? So we can make the numerator terms also in terms of 3. So integral sin x 4 sin 3x can be written as sin 3x plus 3 sin 3x. Sin 3x plus 3 sin 3x. This 4 sin 3x can be written as this one. Next, 6 sin 5x can be written as 3 sin 5x plus again 3 sin 5x. Meaning cannot be changed. We are splitting into 2 terms. Next, 3 sin 7x. We cannot change anything. We can write like this. 3 sin 7x whole divided by sin 2x plus 3 sin 4x plus 3 sine 6x into dx. Now, integral first two terms make as one term. That means first big angle you have to write always. Sine 3x plus sine x. From next two terms, 3 take common. 3 into sine 5x plus sine 3x. From next two terms, 3 take common. Sine 7x plus sine 3x 5x whole divided by sine 2x plus 3 sine 4x plus 3 sine 6x into dx. Apply sin c plus sin d here and here also. What is the formula for sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. By using this formula, we are going to reduce into simplest form. Integral 2 into sine of 3x plus x 4x by 2, that means 2x, into cos of 3x minus x by 2, 2x by 2 means x. The first term expansion is over. Come to the second one, 3 into sine 5x plus sine 3x, 2 into sine of 5x plus 3x by 2, 8x by 2 means 4x, cos of 5x minus 3x by 2, 2x by 2 means x, plus 3 into, again sin c plus sin d formula, 2 into sine of 7x plus 5x by 2, 12x by 2 means sin 6x, into cos of 7x minus 5x by 2, that means cos x, whole divided by sin 2x plus 3 sin 4x plus 3 sin 6x into dx. Now in the numerator, in every term 2 cos x, 2 cos x, 2 cos x will be there. Take out common 2 cos x from the numerator. The rest of the terms, sin 2x plus 3 sin 4x plus 3 sin 6x whole divided by the denominator itself is a bracket value. Sin 2x plus 3 sin 4x plus 3 sin 6x into dx. How the IITians making that steps into same formulas? The beauty of this problem, these two will be cancelled. Two constant you can take outside. Integral cos x into dx, which is equal to 2 into integral cos x is sin x plus c. Therefore, 2 sin x plus c is the answer for this. The next question is very important, an integration relation with algebraic function. This is previous JEE question, it's a very important one. This model also chances to ask in coming days. Integral x power 3m plus x power 2m plus x power m into 2 into x power 2m plus 3 into x power m plus 6 whole power 1 by m into dx. Whenever in the given integral, in that some expressions whole power 1 by m is there or whole power n is there, that value, that expression we can assume as something t or v. So for that what we have to do is, integral here I am doing multiplying and dividing by x for this term, x power 3m plus x power 2m plus x power m. Here I am multiplying by x, dividing by x. There is no effect on this multiplying and dividing by x. into 2x power 2m plus 3 into x power m plus 6 whole power 1 by m into dx. So this integral will becomes x power 3m by x power 3m minus 1 plus x power 2m by x power 2m minus 1 plus x power m by x power m minus 1. After that, this x we should not multiply. Why? Because whole power 1 by m is there. When you have to multiply this one with this expression, you have to make x power as 1 by m, then only you can multiply. So can we write like this, x power m whole power 1 by m get cancelled, again x only it is, into 2x power 2m plus 3 into x power m plus 6 whole power 1 by m into dx. In the next step, integral x power 3m minus 1 plus x power 2m minus 1 plus x power m minus 1 into a power 1 by m into b power 1 by m is ab whole power 1 by m. We can write as 2 into bases are equal, both should be added. X power 2m plus m 3m plus 3 into x power m into x power m x power 2m plus 6 into x power m whole power 1 by m into dx. Now if you assume this value equal to t, put x 2 into x power 3m plus 3 into x power 2m plus 6 into x power m is equal to t, and differentiate with respect to x. That implies 2 into x power 3m derivative is 3m into x power 3m minus 1. That means here you are going to get 6m into x power 3m minus 1 plus here also same thing, 2m into 3 6m into x power 2m minus 1 plus 6 into x power m derivative is m into x power m minus 1 into dx is equal to dt. From every term 6m, 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 if you take common, 6m x power 3m minus 1 plus x power 2m minus 1 plus x power m minus 1 into dx is equal to dt. In this step, this value into dx, it will becomes as dt only. No? So 6m we can take this side. That implies x power 3m minus 1 plus x power 2m minus 1 plus x power m minus 1 into dx is equal to dt by 6m. So in this arrow mark from here to here, it will becomes dt by 6m. This will become as t. So this integral value will become as integral t power 1 by m into dt divided by 6m. 6m is constant, 1 by 6m, which is equal to 1 by 6m integral t power 1 by m. T power 1 by m plus 1 divided by 1 by m plus 1 plus c, which is equal to 1 by 6m t power m plus 1 divided by m divided by m plus 1 divided by m plus c. Here m, here m get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by 6 into m plus 1 keep bracket. T value again we have to replace. T value is this one, 2 into x power 3m plus 3 into x power 2m plus 6 into x power m whole power m plus 1 divided by m plus c. This is the the final answer for that. See the question. Integral x by square root of 1 plus x square plus square root of 1 plus x square whole cube into dx. So first we have to simplify that in under root the given integral. Integral x divided by square root of 1 plus x square plus here 1 plus x square whole power 3, square root means whole power 1 by 2, 3 into 1 by 2, that means 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 into dx. We know that x power 3 by 2 can be expressed as x into root x. So here also 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 can be written as 1 plus x square into under root value. Integral x divided by square root of 1 plus x square plus this can be expressed as 1 plus x square into under root of 1 plus x square into dx. Now from these two 1 plus x square take common. Integral x divided by within under root only we are taking common. 1 plus x square if we take common, here 1 plus x square coefficient is 1 plus square root of 1 plus x square into dx. After that, how to proceed? Put 1 plus x square equal to t. See, 1 plus x square is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. That implies constant derivative 0. X square derivative is 2x into dx is equal to dt. But I want only x dx. So 2 we can take that side. X into dx is equal to dt by 2. So this integral will becomes integral x dx value is dt by 2. That means 1 by 2 dt divided by square root of this value is t into 1 plus again it is root t. 1 plus root t. After that how to proceed is which is equal to 1 by 2 integral 1 by this is one term, this is another term, so making into product of two terms. The root of t into 1 plus root t is root t into root of 1 plus root t into dt. This value we have to assume some value v or k. Again put 1 plus root t is equal to some v I am assuming. Differentiate with respect to t. So constant derivative 0, root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. So root t derivative is 1 by 2 root t into dt is equal to dv. But I want only 1 by root 2 root t into dt. So 2 we can take this side. 1 by root t into dt is equal to 2 dv. So this value 1 by root t into dt, that value is 2 dv. Therefore this integral will becomes 1 by 2 integral 1 by root 2 dt value is 2 dv. So 2 we can take this side into dv square root of 1 plus root dv is root v. Here 2 get cancelled, which is equal to integral 1 by root v into dv Integral 1 by root x, 2 root x. So integral 1 by root v is 2 root v plus c, which is equal to 2 into root. What is v? We have assumed 1 plus root t plus c. That also equal to 2 into square root of 1 plus t we assumed as 1 plus x square. So root of 1 plus x square plus c. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please do subscribe.